All right, we are back with our quiz. It was the Unit 4, Lesson 2 quiz. The first thing you had to make sure you did was type in your name. If you don't type in your name, I don't know if you did it or not. So make sure that you put your mark on your awesome work. All right, let's go into the quiz. An array has 4 rows with 4 items in each row. How many number sentences can you make from the array to solve the problem? 4 rows, 4 items in each row. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we have 4 rows, 1, 2, 3, 4, and we have 4 in each row. 1, 2, 3, 4. So this question is a lot like the question we had in our practice where it was 3 on each side. Because now we have 1 group of 4, 2 groups of 4, 3 groups of 4, 4 groups of 4. So our number sentence would be 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4. And because it's the same going vertically up and down as it is going across, we're only going to have one number sentence. But just to check our work, let's do it. So this time when we make our groups, we will go vertically up and down. We have a group of 4, a second group of 4, a third group of 4, and a fourth group of 4. And so again, it would be 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4. Whenever you have the same number of items, vertically and horizontally, you're only going to be able to have one number sentence. So on your quiz, the answer was 1. Second question. An array has 3 rows with 5 items in each row. How many number sentences can you make from the array to solve the problem? So now we have 3 rows with 5 items in each row. So row 1, row 2, row 3. And then 5 in each row. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now the first thing I notice is that our rows and how much is in each row are not the same. That means that there's definitely going to be 2 equations that we can come up with. The first one is up and down. We have a group of 3, and another group of 3, and another group of 3, and another group of 3, and a final group of 3. And so it would be 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3. So that's one number sentence. But we can also go and count using the rows. So if we do it like that, it will look like this. Give me 1 second. It will look like this. 1 group of 5, 2 groups of 5, and 3 groups of 5. So 5 plus 5 plus 5. And then a great way to check to see if we got it correct is both of these should add up to the same thing. And because they're all the same number, we can skip count. So 3, 6, 9, 12, 15. So this equals 15. And then 5, 10, 15. So we know that with this array, we were able to make 2 number sentences to come up with the answer, our 3s and our 5s. So your answer would be 2. All right, we had a little bit of a shorter lesson today. So I really want you to focus on going on iReady and doing your 30 minutes. iReady is one of the best tools that we have to keep you sharp, focused, and ready for 3rd grade. So go do your 30 minutes of iReady right now and have a great rest of your day. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.